Okay, that was my intro. So, I'm actually going to say some stuff about this product. I'll leave the link down below. You can get it on Amazon. I got this from Thomason. It's the toilet and cabinet lock. I will leave the link for the product on Thomason as well. It's 2 counts. 1, 2. You can use on items like refrigerators, freezers, dishwashers, toilets, and cabinets. It's easy for adults to install. They even have a secure press and snap feature that helps to keep your appliances and cabinets closed. So this is the product. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you.